Hi, I'm Songs. This video will show you all the features of KBartender. So let's get started. Firstly, the KBartender. Click on the free download from the online documentation. Select your preferred shop version. After downloading and unzipping, you get the script, sample folder and documentation. Then click File, Scripts from the AE menu. Select Install Script or install a dockable script. Select the script file in the dialog box. Click OK. After restarting AE, if you are installing a dockable script, just start the script in the window menu. If not, start the script in the File, Scripts menu. Click to activate after launch. Trial mode supports up to 3 groups, up to 5 buttons per group. Then there's KBar, an excellent AE extension. If you don't know it yet, you can download it from AE Scripts. Installation tutorials are included in the accompanying documentation. I won't go into detail here. Restart AE after installation. Launch KBar via window, extensions. There is a 7-day trial period. Allows up to 4 toolbars to run simultaneously. Let's try configuring a JSX button for KBar and see how it works. As you can imagine, setting up a large number of buttons can be a pain. Now show the basic KBartender workflow. Click to select a directory. Select the sample directory that has been organized. Click OK. The script will display the exact number of groups and the total number of buttons. Click to generate JSON. By default is the path to the selected folder. Then open the settings page of KBar. Click Restore. Select the JSON we generated and you are done. You can right-click KBar to switch between different toolbars, although the number of clicks is similar, but the number of buttons is as many as you want. Backup JSON via KBar at this point. You can see the buttons point to files that are absolute paths. It's obvious this JSON is meaningless on other systems. The directory structure for KBartender is very simple. Consists of subfolders. These subfolders are converted into toolbars of KBar. All files outside the toolbars are ignored. Next, let's talk about the buttons. Folders within the subfolder will be treated as effect buttons, and it should be named after the match name of the effect. Incorrect match name will generate a meaningless button. You can use the M button of KBartender to generate an empty match name folder. Clicking it will prompt you to select an effect first. Take slider control as an example. Click M button again when selected. A dialog will pop up correctly asking us to choose where to save. Select current toolbar. Click OK. You can see that the button can add a slider effect to the current layer. Just save your expression in JS format. No additional operations are required for AE projects. Just place it in a subfolder like the script file. Support AEP and AEPX. No additional operations are required for AE presets as well. A working preset needs to be based on how you generate it. For example, the preset in the sample directory can only be used in the shape layer. Extensions are a little different and are implemented through scripting. Simply have this string of characters in the script match the title of the extension. In fact, you can call almost any AE menu with this method. The source code can be found in the document. Icons already prepared in files ignored by KBartender. First click the AI button of KBartender. Will ask you if you want to run Illustrator. Select Launch. Then ask if you want to create or open a document. Click Create. After success, you are prompted to select a destination folder. Note that toolbars should be selected at this time. Once confirmed, artboards with the same name will be created based on the buttons in the toolbar. If you want to put other toolbar icons in the same AI document, just click the AI button, click Current, select a different toolbar. Once confirmed, it asks whether to rearrange. No rearrange. You can see the new artboard is generated in the bottom right corner. Repeat. Yes, rearrange. So artboards of the 3 toolbars are arranged neatly. Import the icon file. Select all and copy. Reorder. Open the asset export when you are finished. Click here. Switch to the Artboard tab. Define the export range. Storage path. SVG recommended. Once confirmed, icons will be generated at the storage path. Copy them all. Paste into each toolbar. The goal is to have a SVG or PNG file with the same name for each button. When you are finished, export the JSON again. Icon information is already included in the JSON. If you are a clean freak, you can remove all the SVG file you just made. Just make the AI project saved. Suppose you add some new files. Just click the AI button. As we have opened the icon document, so click Current. Select the toolbar with new buttons. Click OK. Click No Rearrange. The artboards of the new buttons are created in the bottom right corner. The C button clears the selected directory. The question mark button shows descriptions, user information, and update logs. You can click here to view my other scripts. Click here to open the online document for the latest status. Don't forget to check for updates occasionally. Finally, thanks to the open source community. Without their help, KBartender would not be done. That's it. I hope you enjoy KBartender. See you next time.